So with all of that being said, let's go ahead and practice, shall we? Again, this is just practice. If you even just follow along with me doing this problem, that'll be some good practice. So let's go ahead and start off with a single digit by double digit problem. Just like we've been doing all week, we are practicing multiplication with a variety of strategies. First we need to what? Starts with a D. If you said, hopefully you said decompose. So when we decompose, we break down the place value. So that would be 14 would break down into 10 and 4. And we'll go ahead and set that up over here. Now we can just write 10 and 4. And we know 6 is going to go up here. And we can just make our 6. And then we can use that to make our box. And then hopefully you know what to do from here. 10 times 6 is 60. And 4 times 6 is, hopefully you said 24, which makes your answer. Now remember, you have to do what next? Add these together. But when you add them together, you have to be careful about what? Making sure the place value lines up. Hopefully that's what you were saying. So the ones have to line up with the ones, and the tens have to line up with the tens. See? And then 0 plus 4 is 4, and 6 plus 2 is 8, and your answer is 84. Hello. This is the problem I'd like you to work through with me. 14 times 63. You can see I've decomposed it already. I've started filling my boxes. I had to delete my first attempt because I started to explain it wrong. But what I did here was 10 times 6 is 60, and there's 1 0, which I've added here, and the answer is 600. 4 times 60, you may not know 4 times 60, but you might know 4 times 6, which is 24. And again, there's 1 0. And then let's see, we do 10 times 3, which is, of course, 30. And 4 times 3, which we can take a second to figure out, is 12. And then we're going to do what? Hopefully you said that we are going to add them all together. So we're going to take 600, 240, 30, and 12. And add them together. Now notice that I did my best here to line up the what? The place values. The ones, the tens, and the hundreds. And then from there we do what? Add them up. So 0, 0, 0, 2 is 2. 0 plus 4 is 4, plus 3 is 7, plus 1 is 8. And 6 plus 2 is 8. There's your answer. I'm going to give you some practice problems here in a moment. We're probably fairly familiar with the steps here. The one thing that will mess you up every time is if you don't line these place values up. And then when you add them, your answer will be all wrong. So thanks for following along. I'm going to give you a couple practice problems. Just do one each day. I'll put 2 up here. Do one each day. I'll see you Monday. Take care.